Hey there, it's John McLauchlan. Hope you're well. In this video, I'm going to give you a solution for formatting problems when it comes to posting on Instagram and Facebook. So if you look at what I've got in front of my screen here, typical issue is if you do a post on Facebook or Instagram, particularly Facebook, this is the example. If you write a post out and you type it out and you put the right spaces in, what Facebook will do is that it will squash it all together. So literally, instead of looking like a nice post that you've spent time doing, it looks more like War and Peace. So what I tend to do is I used to put these dashes in so it would leave a space. But even though you got these dashes, you've got a post, it looks more like you're writing poetry than anything else. So I came across a tool, and what this tool allows me to do, let me just scroll up here. So you can see here how there's no dashes. It's formatted in the right way. I've got the right gaps, and also it allows me to put font in bold and italic. So this looks a lot better. So first of all, I want to give a bit of a shout out. I did a bit of research and I found this guy. It's a guy called BlueCowMarketing, guy called Shaun. So I take no credit for this. So thank you, Shaun. I just had a look at this video on here and he told me the solution. So thank you for that. So the solution essentially was to come over to this tiny little web page here called appsforlifehost.com. So the link will be in the description below. So let's say we're going to post some text in here. So I'll just copied and pasted that in. And you've got all the proper spaces already. And let's say if you want to highlight this, we can then bold it and we can italic it. Okay, so that's now bolded and italic. Okay, and that's it. So essentially all we need to do is click on convert and copy to clipboard. So it's now done that, and then we go back to our Facebook and we post it in. So we just right click and paste, and that's what you get. Okay, so it's all formatted in the right way, just using that really simple tool. So if you want the solution to formatting your Instagram and your Facebook posts in the right way, making them look a lot more professional, go ahead and click over to the appsforlifehost.com. Just follow the instructions and that's it. Simple as 1, 2, 3. We'll talk soon. Bye for now.